Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use keys on your Schlage BE365 Keypad Deadbolt in 2026. Now, one important thing that makes the Schlage BE365 different from many of the electronic locks is that it combines a keypad and a traditional key cylinder. So this means the key will continue to work even if the battery is completely dead. So in order to basically unlock the door with key, you need to simply locate the keyway below the keypad on the exterior side of the lock. Now you just have to simply insert the correct Schlage key fully into the cylinder. So as you can see, this is the keyhole where you can basically insert the key. So when you insert the key, you just have to turn the key approximately 90 degrees towards the hinges of the door. On most of the installations, this will be a clockwise turn for right hand doors and the counterclockwise turn for the left hand doors. So as you turn the key, you will feel the deadbolt retract into the door, and once the deadbolt is fully retracted, you just have to turn the handle and open the door. So now in order to lock the door with the help of the key from the outside, you just have to close the door completely. Then you need to simply insert the key into the cylinder and turn it into the opposite direction until the deadbolt fully extends into the door frame. So after removing the key gently, you can just simply test the door to confirm that it is securely locked. So that's how basically you can use physical key on your Schlage BE365 keypad deadbolt in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.